Come to share with you a journal that I've made, and I'm calling this one Simply Amazing because I used some digital paper from, I think it was Raspberry Road Designs, and that was what the paper was called. So let me tell you, this measures 8 inches by 5 1/4. It has one signature. There are 72 pages front and back. It's got a bit of a blue theme to it. On the front cover here we have a pocket, and there's a large tag in the pocket. And we have this Tiffany & Co image which has been sewn onto some coffee dyed doubled over paper. There is a fabric trim here with this little rosette trim, and I haven't tied that yet, but that's going to be tied in the middle. So eyelets and organza ribbon. So let's go inside. Look at that lovely pretty paper. We have pockets here with some tags and ephemera, and another little tag there. I really like this. I think I've only used this once before. Keep forgetting. Got so much digital stuff, but I keep forgetting what I've got. So when I saw this, I thought, alright, I'm going to use this because I haven't used it in a long time. But the butterflies are lovely. So we have, is this a flip? Is it a flip? I don't know if it's a flip or not. Oh gosh, I can't remember if it's a flip or have I glued it down. Oh no, it is a flip. It is. Just glued it down a little bit. So it's a corner flip with a doily ticket and a butterfly. And inside that we have a large tag, and I've got some new pans, like cookie sheet pans, and this is the design that it came out. I quite like that, so I left it as is. There is a library card, another tag, journaling card, and another tag there. We have a dictionary page, some Edith Holden, and some edge punching, some music paper, some ephemera here to write on, some crocheted trim, again this lovely paper, hope you can see that. And oops, the glue had oozed through the crocheted trim there. So I've made a pocket with, again that was one of the papers from that kit, and another tag, and a library card, and some ephemera. And I've just put this on here, it says Inspire, and this is from Dreams Etc. Another digital paper there from that kit. Here we have a pocket that flips out, so you can do lots of journaling on there, like so. And there is a tag, a journaling card, another tag there, and a Tiffany & Co journaling card. We have a dictionary page and Edith Holden, some edge punching, some inventory paper, some more ephemera there to write on, some pom-pom trim, some edge punching, and this is just going to get tied in the middle. You can actually simply undo that and add other things to it. This will be listed in my shop, and there's a 10% discount until the end of tonight in the UK, so that's midnight tonight. You can get 10% off, and I will put the code for that below. Here we have another double pocket, which all comes apart if I haven't glued it. This glue, I'm blaming the glue. So that goes on there. The paper clip goes on there. And we have another tag, some ephemera, another tag, it says just a note, a library card and a tag. So that all just pops in there. And then that's more of that digital paper. Yep, the glue's oozing out. Oh. Actually, it's a new glue that I'm using, a new tub. Same stuff that I normally use, but I find this one's a little bit runny for some reason. I don't know if it's the temperature that's making it runny. Another tag, and it's got them marks on it from the cookie sheet. And this is one of the papers from the kit, and I just made a double pocket with that, and I put the crocheted trim, and it says happy day. And we have this ephemera, this tag, a library card, and a little Tiffany & Co tag. And this is pretty up the side. And we have a flip here, and it just has this piece of ephemera there. And this piece of ephemera there with this tag. It's not on there properly. There we go. Edge punching, Edith Holden, dictionary page, corner tuck that I haven't glued down. Another large tag, a Tiffany & Co tag, some more ephemera, journal card and a tag, and then in the back there's another pocket with another tag, this journaling card, and this piece of ephemera. So that is the journal, and this is digital page, and it's kind of got a, I'm not sure if you can see, but it's got like blue brush marks on it. So that is that one. Like I said, this will be in my shop, and there is 10% discount. The information will be below. So if you want to take advantage of the 10%, you have until midnight UK time to do so. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.